Okay, McChims, we are going to talk a little bit about place value. So we know that when we're solving place value problems, we have our ones, our tens, and our hundreds. We know that our ones are simply our single digit numbers, and we know that our tens are 10 ones or a long or a 10, right? We know that when we have more than 10 ones, we need to bundle them up and get our tens ready. And 100 is super important. We like to call that a flat. And our 100s consists of 10 tens, right? Count with me. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. We bundle up all of those tens and we exchange it for 100. And 100 ones also equals 100. Now we have to start thinking about understanding numbers. You are going to see numbers broken up into hundreds, tens, and ones, and you're going to have to take it and you're going to have to make that friendly. This problem right here says there's 2 hundreds, 16 tens, and 7 ones. Now that is a lot. Let's talk about it. Okay, so I went ahead and I built this out. If you'll notice, let's start at our ones and let's go on. So first we had our 7 ones. Easy peasy. There's not 2 digits there. I can handle that. I built my 7 ones. Next, I saw 16 tens. We can't have 2 digits in the tens place. So I'm going to think about that. 16 tens. I know 10 of those tens is going to make that's right, 100. So 10 of my tens, I drew my arrow down and I drew out 100 instead of drawing 10 of them. And then I went ahead and I drew out my 6 left over. So let's count this all together. Ready? 10 is 100. We're going to count by tens up 6 more. So 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160. I still have my 16 tens there, but I showed it a different way. I showed it with 100s blocks and 6 tens. And then I have my 200s that I drew as the same. And then I went ahead and I filled out my second row. Now that I have this drawn really friendly, I'm going to make sure that I only have 1 digit in all of my place values, right? So I have 1, 2, 3 hundreds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens, and still those 7 ones. I want you to think to yourself, take those numbers, smush them together. What number did we get? If you said 367, very good job. I am so proud of each and every one of you. So remember, if there are 2 digits in one place value, think, how can I bundle this? Maybe you're going to do it like I did. And instead of drawing out all 16, you're going to bundle 100 and draw out the rest. Same thing with our ones. We knew if there were, say, 27 ones, that we could draw 2 tens and 7 ones. Let's start to think ahead, McChims.